I'm really excited for this video today because I'm going to share with you guys my #1 tip for organizing my entire home. I mean, every nook and cranny of this house. Not only is this tip going to save you a ton of time because you're not going to have to tidy throughout the day, but it's going to completely change how you view organizing your home. We just moved into this house a month ago, and to say that I have a ton to organize and do is an understatement, but having this tip at the forefront of my mind at all times has made this process a lot easier for us. So if you're interested in knowing what that tip is, keep watching. Welcome to my channel. I'm Maite, where I cover all things homemaking and home management related here on this channel. I'm a stay-at-home mom to a little girl, so I know how easily your day can descend into one big tidy party. Comment down below if you know exactly what I'm talking about. You're struggling running back and forth from one end of the house, putting toys and putting things away, and at the end of the day, you're like, what did I spend my whole day doing? Just running around putting things away. So here is the tip. Organize and store your stuff where you use it. And by where you use it, one guide that I go by is I try not to have it more than 3 feet away. So I'm going to go over some examples in my home and explain a little bit more why this works so well. So in my kitchen, I have built-in cabinetry all the way at the end that I'm using as an informal kitchen sideboard. And this has been game-changing because I keep everything I need there for everyday meal time. So I have a separate set of dinner plates, salad plates, bowls. In the cabinetry underneath, there's 3 drawers, and in one of those drawers, I put all of my daughter's bibs, a pack of baby wipes, everything I need for her feeding times. So when I'm sitting down, I don't have to run around getting her high chair, going to her room, getting her bibs, getting her wipes. Everything is right there. And this has been so useful, especially since we're all home eating 3 meals a day. It just made sense to at least store some of our kitchenware on this side of the kitchen as opposed to trying to keep it all together in the cabinets behind me. In the other drawers, I keep everything that I need for the kitchen table, so tablecloths, napkins, placemats, everything for this informal dining space, I keep in those drawers. So it makes setting the table every night a complete breeze. And the reason this works so well is because these cabinets are no more than 1.5 feet away from our kitchen dining table. So that's why we're able to get in and get out when it comes to mealtime, because everything is right there for me when I need it. The next example that I have is how I store our cleaning supplies. So not only do I have this cleaning closet in our kitchen where I organize all of our cleaning supplies and it all looks very nice in one place in all of these drawers, but I also keep doubles of a lot of those all-purpose cleaners, bathroom supplies in other places in my home. So my #1 area that I do this is our bathrooms. I have a set of cleaning supplies for all the bathrooms in each one. There are 5 bathrooms in this house. Even the caddy system is just not going to motivate me enough to take each caddy from one bathroom to another. So when I'm in that bathroom, I can clean that bathroom easily. All I have to do is take out the all-purpose cleaner, the bathroom cleaner, and a cleaner for the toilet, and I'm good to go. So I keep one of those in every bathroom in this house, and it just has worked phenomenally because I absolutely hate cleaning bathrooms, so this has just made it so much easier for me to do. The next example I have is my daughter's toys. I have a 14-month-old, so obviously her toys get everywhere, but the key here is just to designate areas in your home for those toys. So in each area that we spend a lot of time, I have a little toy basket with a couple of her favorite toys. That means at the end of the day, I don't have to run around putting these toys all the way in her room. I can just put them in the toy basket or the playpen. And as we've been unpacking this house and designating different areas for her to play in, she has her room set up with all her toys, but it just makes it easier when we're in the family room, or I'm in the kitchen, or I'm in the dining room, just to have a little basket with some of her toys in there so she can get to them easily and I can put them away more easily at the end of the day because I have already designated a little space for those toys in a lot of rooms in our house. 3 main reasons why this method really works. The first one is that it's easy to put things away. So you're much more likely to put something away when you hardly have to move to do it, as opposed to walking to the other end of your house, climbing a flight of stairs just to put one item away. You're probably not going to do it, let's be honest. It's probably going to end up on an empty counter space somewhere, on the floor, in a pile, and it's just going to accumulate and it's going to be a lot harder to maintain. So making life easier for yourself is going to go a long way. But not only are you making life easier for you, you're making it easier for other people in your house. And that is the key. If it's easy for other people to put things away, your entire house is going to keep tidy because you're not the only one putting things away because you're the only one who knows where they go, or you're the only one who wants to make the effort to make that trek every time you have to put something away. So making your life easier and the lives of the other people who live in your house easier is going to go a long way when it comes to keeping your home organized and tidy. The second reason why this method works so well is that it's intuitive. It just makes sense. So when you're organizing items or certain areas of your house based on how your family actually lives, as opposed to where items should go or what looks better in certain closets or just trying to keep everything in one place, it might not be the most Pinterest-worthy way of organizing your house, but it is the most efficient way to organize your house because it's tailored to your family and your specific routines, which leads me to my next point. This is my third and final point, and that is it makes daily routines run so much more smoothly. When you have everything you need where you need it, exactly when you need it, your day is going to go a lot more smoothly than if you don't have those things lined up. Let's say as a mom, you only have 20 minutes to get something done, which I can totally relate. And you spent the first 10 minutes trying to gather everything you need to get that task done. Then after you get that task done, you spent another 10 minutes trying to put all that stuff away in the spirit of picking up as you go. And it just makes moving from routine to routine an absolute chore, and you're going to be exhausted by the end of the day. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, at the end of the day, I don't have to do one big tidy at all. I already did that as I was going through because I was able to put away all the things I was using lightning fast. So I'm able to move through my day super quickly and without a ton of stress. If you found this organization tip useful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it useful as well. And you're gonna wanna subscribe to my channel because in my next video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things that might be holding you back from creating a homemaking routine that actually sticks and that you'll actually use. So stay tuned for that. I upload Mondays and Wednesdays. And as always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.